Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond. Everybody loves this party song right here. Super fun, and it's not hard to play. Got a couple extra notes I'm gonna show you in under 3 minutes. And I'm Steve, hope you're doing amazing, blah, blah, blah. Let's get right to it. So begin here in A major, and I'm gonna give you the chords real quickly and then I'll come back to strumming. So A major, where it began, D major, back to A major, it's growing strong, E major. And then does that again, A, D, A, E. Then it goes into this pre-chorus. So it goes hands, that's an A major. I'm just sort of putting my whole finger on it like this, but I'm playing the low notes of the A major. Hands, and then take this finger, put it on the 4th fret of the D string. And you can play the whole rest of the A. Like that, or just play the low notes. So hands, touching hands, and then go to E major, reaching out, touching D, touching E major, and you can do. And that explodes into the chorus. A, Sweet Caroline, D major. Bum, 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 you can hit the D 3 times. Or what I did in the intro, I go D, A, D, good times never seem so, E major. And for that little walk up, I went. So you're going to the E string, 2nd fret of the E, 4th fret of the E. It's a great walk up back to the A, and you could do. That hard, you just do that string right there and end up on the A. I'd be inclined, D major, to believe they ever. Now it does this cool little walk down using chords. Ready? E major, D, C minor, B minor. And then back down to A for the verses. Look at the night and it won't seem so lonely. So let me give you that part again when it goes to I'd be inclined. I'd be inclined to believe they ever would. E, D, C minor, B minor. So those just sort of do like little chord, just one strum, one strum, one strum, and then you're back in, and then it goes to the verse again. And let me give you some strumming real quick since we got just a second. Ready? Look at the night. Ready? And it don't seem so lonely. So that's sort of the verse strumming. When it goes into that, reaching out, you can get sort of low, quiet. To the E, touching hands, touching me. And then check this out. You do that little downstrokes and then the full strumming, and then you explode into Sweet Caroline. Really fun to play. Not that hard if you get those cool little chord walk downs and maybe that extra note right there on that. I think it's an A6 is what they call it. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me how you do, and I'll catch you for some more 3-minute lessons here on the channel. Later.